Most people think the only way to leave corporate America is to quit. But that, my friends, is the fastest way to panic. And it's the fastest way to make emotional decisions and the fastest way to crawl right back to another job. You don't quit first, you replace your income first. So, today I'm going to walk you through the unwritten rules of replacing your salary without quitting your job because nobody teaches us how to do this. But here is what they do teach us: go to school, get good grades, get a job, work hard, move up, retire. That blueprint doesn't even exist anymore. Promotions don't equal freedom, and titles do not equal control. And after 10 to 20 years, most high performers hit a ceiling. And here's the truth: quitting without a plan is not only bold, it's reckless. So let's talk a real strategy. Hey, I'm Dustin Neff, the anti career coach, and I help people use the skills they already have to exit corporate America by building their own businesses. So today, let's get into the unwritten rules. Rule one: don't chase your passion, chase leverage. Your first business is not your dream business, it's your leverage business. Leverage is skills you already have, problems you already understand, and people you already know. You don't start from scratch, you start from advantage. Most people waste years trying to find themselves. The fastest exit comes from monetizing what you already know. Rule number two: sell before you build. Do not build a website, do not build a logo, do not build a course. Sell first. If someone gives you money, the market has spoken. One paying client gives you clarity faster than 6 months of thinking. Rule three: one client changes everything. Your first $5,000 to $10,000 client changes your psychology. It proves you don't need corporate, you have value, and you can generate income independently. And after that, everything shifts. All right, rule four: replace in phases. So 20% of your salary, 50%, and then 100%. Don't leave until you hit 100%. So that's the three phases. Once you hit 50%, your fear drops. And then when you hit 100%, you control the decision. That's power. Rule five: speed matters. And this is the dangerous zone. You're uncomfortable, but not in pain. You know you've hit a ceiling, but you think you have time. That's the boiling water. The people I work with who get the best results move fast. They don't wait for layoffs. They don't wait for politics. They don't wait for permission. They build while they're still stable. So I stayed in the same role, same industry, basically for 18 years. And it wasn't until corporate shut my business down that I had to upgrade my skills. And within 2 years, I tripled my income. But here's what I learned: every promotion just creates another ceiling. And you don't need another ceiling, you need control. So if you're watching this and you feel like I've hit my ceiling, I don't want to quit recklessly, I want a real plan. Well, that's exactly what we do. We figure out what vehicle fits your skills, how to monetize it quickly, then how to replace your income in phases, then how to exit intelligently. So some people start with my 30-day sprint. Some go straight into the full anti-career blueprint, and some want everything just built for them. But the key is this: you move forward before the water boils. So you don't hate your job, you hate not being in control. And control starts when you stop waiting. That's it for this video. Check out this video. It will walk you through the anti-career blueprint.